Hello guys, long time no see. Sorry I haven't been able to make a video for a while. It's been quite hectic the last 3 months. I was pretty much trying to juggle study and work. I had a gap year, so I kind of forgot how it's like to go back to school and just completely lost my schedule, which is why I haven't been able to make a video. So now I'm pretty much done with the first semester of 2020. So hopefully I'll be able to make lots of videos. As for today's video, it's going to be a haul and it's going to be a special edition because if you're a fan of the brand Rouje like me, then you probably know that they had a huge archive sale the other day. I kind of lost myself while I was looking at their website, probably because I was in the middle of final week. I was kind of looking for something or somewhere to release my stress, and this happened to be it. I bought like 6 pieces in total, so yeah, that's a lot of shopping for me, but I know that I'll be wearing Rouje clothes for a long time because their pieces are very classic and timeless, so I guess it's an okay. The kids.
2 hours later.
What was I saying? So I bought 6 pieces in total, and I also had one Rouje item that I bought off MarkII a while back, so I want to show you guys that piece too. So without further ado, let's start the haul. First of all is this blouse that I'm wearing right now. Oh, it's so cute. The name is, let me check. The name of the blouse is CAMILLE. Am I saying it right? CAMILLE blouse. It's a peachy pink silky looking blouse. It's not real silk. It's got this like puffy sleeves with strong shoulders, which I think is super cute and classy. I feel like Princess Peach whenever I wear this because of this shape and the color. It has these tiny buttons in the middle and a cinched waist, which gives almost like corset vibe. Makes it kind of dressy. It goes super well with blue denims because of the color and the material. If I pair this with black trousers, I think it will be appropriate outfit for parties or a dinner, as if I get invited to those things. But yeah, anyway, it's a very cute versatile top. I really love it. Yes. The next piece is another blouse, and it looks like this. It's a DALIDA blouse. I'm sorry the French are screaming, but again has these strong shoulders with a slightly cinched in waist. And because of the material, it's not as shiny as this one, so it's slightly casual. When I first saw this, I was not sure if this color goes well with my skin tone, but I saw a model wearing this with darker hair color, so I thought, well, okay, maybe I can work with this, and I'm super glad that I got this. The sleeves are slightly longer, so hopefully I'll be able to wear it in the summer because I get hot really easily. It has this polka dot designs. Because they're tiny, it's very classy. It doesn't make me childish, and it's something like I can wear it for a long time. I really love this so much. The next piece that I got is this jeans. It's a Bastille jeans in size 24. This is my second Rouje jeans. I love the first one. It fits so well. The color is perfect. The shape is so gorgeous. It makes my body look nicer. I worn the first one to death, so I knew that even if I bought another one, I wear it like every day. So I bought a new one. This one is supposed to be slightly flared, but I feel like it's pretty much straight. The length is slightly longer for me because I have short legs, but if I wear it with like sandals with heels, then I'll be okay with it. So I think that's how I'm gonna wear it in this summer. It has this very cute embroidery on the pocket. It says R because it's Rouje. which I think is such a cute detail. It goes well with this top, or this one goes well. So moving on to dresses. So the first one is second-handed Rouge dress that I bought on MarkII. Black and polka dot dress. It's got this quite open neck, so I have to wear something underneath so that my boobage area is covered. I love how it has this kind of ruffles around the neck area, so it kind of gives like a flamenco kind of, you know, dresses, if that makes sense, with the color as well. I think it's quite cute. I've already worn this quite a few times with a t-shirt on top of the dress. So cute, I love it. Another dress is this PALOMA dress. It looks like this. It's quite long. It's longer than the last dress that I showed. I was debating whether I should get the shirt or this dress, but I ended up buying the dress because I was lacking in dresses in my closet. I'm so glad that I picked the dress version because it's super cute. It's so cute. It has this collar and this quite big buttons all the way down to the bottom. It again has this strong puffy sleeves, which I think is very cute because it gives those kind of classy vintage vibe. The length is quite long for me. It's not like I'm dragging the clothes. I'm debating whether I should make it shorter or not, but for now I'm quite happy with this length, so I think I'm gonna wear it as it is for a while. It was only like $110, which I think is such a good deal for a gorgeous dress like this, so I'm super happy that I got this. Lastly, I bought a jacket that is not for summer, but it's mainly for autumn, I guess. It's this safari jacket in indigo, I think. I bought this in the size 34. I'm mostly 34, 36. I'm only 5'3", but even for me this was quite small. It's a style that's quite fitted, I guess. I never owned a safari jacket before. I fell in love with this. It was only $100, which I think is such a good deal for a jacket that's well made and good quality. So I'm really glad that I bought this. I would love to wear this with like black sunglasses and red lips. I can wear this with a pair of jeans, which I really like about it. I wear jeans so often. I don't think I'll be able to get use of a jacket if it doesn't go well with a pair of jeans. Yeah, but this one does, so that's good. So that is everything for this haul. Even though it was kind of impulse buying, I'm so glad that I bought every pieces. I feel so happy and confident whenever I'm wearing their pieces, which I believe is the whole point of fashion, I guess. If you guys didn't know about the brand Rouge and want to buy some pieces from their brand, then I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out yourselves. If you guys have any comments or requests for the video, then please leave them in the comments section below. So that's pretty much everything, I guess. As I said in the beginning, since it's summer holiday, I'll be making more content. If you guys want to see more, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Take the passenger seat. If it's